Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will see exercise 9.1, question number 12 and 13. So let's get it in the question. So let's read the question first. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower. So there is two things here. One is a high building and another one is a cable tower. So let's draw here first one tower. Okay, from the top of a 7-meter high building. So let's take building here, 7-meter height, and the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower. Okay, from the top of the building, if you are taking this as a building, okay, let's take one tower here. This is the tower. So there are two things, one is a building and one more is the tower. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Elevation means from down to top we are observing. Okay, top of the cable tower is 60 degrees. So this angle is how much? 60 degree. When you draw one horizontal line, it will be like this. And then the angle of depression means from top to down. So angle of depression of it is foot is 45 degree. Foot means this bottom of the tower. Okay, let's draw to the foot. Okay, so let's draw one more horizontal line. This angle is how much degree? 45 degree. Actually here only 45 degree will come, that you can change it to 45 degree here according to the transversal lines. Okay, alternate interior angles. Or you can take, if it is a depression, we can take it as a elevation also, same. Now what we have to find out here, actually determine the height of the tower. So this height of the tower only we have to find out. Let us take that height of the tower as h. Okay, now let's give the names here for the triangles A, B, C, D and E. So here we have two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2. Both the triangles base is common. Let us take that base as a x, and this base also will be x only, because AB equal to DC, right? Now let's take two cases here. Case 1, in triangle, case 1 we will take this triangle first, ABD, triangle ABD. Let's draw the triangle here, ABD. Here we have angle 45 degree and base we have here x, and A to D, height of the building we have 7 meter. Okay, now let's take the case 2 here. Case 2, triangle DCE. In triangle DCE, let's draw the triangle DCE there. Okay, now here D, C and E. See here, C to E distance now we have here. Total we have taken as a h, means the total height of the tower. Then A to D is 7 meter, means straight to this B to C also will be 7 meter only. Now if you want to find out E to C distance, how can we take? You tell me. From the total, if you subtract this 7, you will get E to C distance, which means E to C distance will be h minus 7. You understand why we are taking h minus 7? H is the total distance from E to B. If you want E to C distance, from total you subtract this part, you will get the EC part. Then the EC distance will be h minus 7. And D to C, base is common, x, and angle we have here 60 degree. Now base perpendicular, we know base and perpendicular formula is tan theta, perpendicular by base. So tan 45 equal to perpendicular we have 7 and base we have taken x. So tan 45 value in the table 1. So 7 by x, which means x is equal to 7. So this is the equation number 1, we can take it. Now here also same formula, tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So tan theta value here we have 60 degree, perpendicular here we have h minus 7 by base is common x. So tan 60 value root 3 h minus 7 by x. Okay, let's take here x. Then x is equal to h minus 7 by root 3. Okay, now this is the equation number 2. So already from the equation number 1 we have the x value. Substitute your x value and find out the value of h. So substitute equation number 1 in 2. If you substitute in place of x, you can apply a 7 equal to h minus 7 by root 3. If you take root 3 here opposite, then 7 root 3 equal to h minus 7. If you want h value, minus 7 you take opposite, then h is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. So root 3 value, if it is given in the question, you can apply, otherwise don't apply. Take common 7 outside, then 7 plus 1 is the height of the tower h. That only we have to find out the height of the tower. The height of the tower we have taken as h, therefore the height of the tower is 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the question number 13. So we have the question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. Okay, so there is one lighthouse here. That height of the lighthouse is given 75-meter height. Lighthouse from the sea level. So from the sea level only they are taking. Let's take this is the sea level. Okay, then the angle of depression of two ships are. Depression means, you know, from the top of the tower to they are looking down. That is why depression. How many ships? Two ships. So let's take here ship 1 here S1 and maybe a ship 2 will be S2 here. So let's join the line now. Depression. Okay, that's why we're taking from top to down. Right? Now you got two triangles. Give the names of the triangles and their angles are given 30 degree and 45 degree. So this will be 30 degree. When we come to the close, it will be 45 degree. Now let's take the names A, B, C and D. So what we have to find out here, if one ship is exactly behind the other. Behind means ஒன்னுக்கு பின்னாலே இன்னொன்னு இருக்கும், அதுதான் வந்து behind. Okay, behind the other on the same side. Same side னா ஒரே சைடில் ரெண்டு ஷிப் இருக்கும் of the lighthouse. Then find the distance between the ships. So distance between the ships means this distance only we have to find out. So let us take B to C distance base as a x. Then we can take this distance as the y. Now y da on the A to B distance. Okay, appo y value find out panna, that's more than enough. Now let's take the cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1 in triangle, first we can take this triangle. Triangle BCD. This B and CD. Okay, let's draw now the BCD triangle here. BCD. BC distance we have taken x and angle we have here 45 degree and C to D distance means the height of the lighthouse already given 75 meter. Okay, let's take your case 2. In triangle, case 2 when you're taking triangle ACD. Don't take only this as the triangle because this is not the right angle triangle, so you have to take whole part. When you're taking a whole part, then the base will become x plus y or y plus x. So let's draw the diagram, we'll understand. A, C, D. C to D distance height is same 75 only. Now A to C distance y plus x. Okay, then angle here we have 30 degree. Now let's apply the formula base and perpendicular. So common formula tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So tan theta value here we have 45 degree, perpendicular we have 75, by base is x. So tan 45 value 1 equal to 75 by x, x equal to 75 is the equation number 1. Now let's take here also same formula. So your theta value, 30 degree equal to perpendicular we have 75 and base now we have y plus x. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3 equal to 75 by y plus x. Just cross multiply, take this, then y plus x equal to 75 root 3 is the equation number 2. Now already in the equation number 1 x value we got it. Substitute here to get the y value. So we can write substitute equation number 1 in equation number 2. Then if you substitute y plus x value we have 75 equal to 75 root 3. If you want y, take plus 75 opposite. Then it will come minus 75. So just take 75 common outside, then root 3 minus 1. So this only we have to find out. You see, find the distance between the ships. Distance between the ship 1 and ship 2 we have taken as the y. Therefore y value we got it. So therefore the distance between the ship is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. If the root 3 value is given, apply here and simplify, you will get it. If not given, no need to apply. Hope that you understand. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. If you understand this, please like our channel and don't forget to share our channel also. Thank you.